To change your password on your Chromebook is very easy. Once you have logged in, you will be on this screen where you go to LaunchPoint. In order to change it, you go to Update Password. Once you get there, you'll type in your number at hallco.org, your old password, which is your number. Then you will type in your new password 2 times to make sure that they match. You may put in a password up to 8 characters. Please make sure that you write your password down so that if you forget, you have a reference to go back to. Once you have done this, you hit Submit, and it will give you a check saying your password has been successfully changed. After you have changed your password, in order to change your login for your Chromebook, you will need to sign out of your Chromebook, delete or remove yourself as a user, and then add yourself back using your new password to log in.